Driving through the romantic mountain roads of Transylvania, we get to one of the top 10 castles of the world, the Bran Castle. It's about 45 minutes from Brasov, or more than an hour drive from the Transylvanian Airport to reach the so-called Dracula Castle, if local traffic conditions make it possible for us. Passing through the Transylvanian lands and villages, the road itself is a great experience, with horse-drawn carts and herds grazing peacefully on the hills. There are no highways in this region of the country, but only single-lane roads between the cities, so we can see a lot of Transylvania until we finally arrive to Bran. And now in the fall, it's all about vampires and other mystical creatures. Even we find a lot of garlic on the market against the vampires. According to history books, Vlad Tepes spent only a short time here between the walls of this castle. However, this didn't stop the locals from promoting this medieval Hungarian fortress as a real Dracula castle. We can walk around the buildings through narrow stairs and corridors. And now in the Halloween season, we find many exciting accessories everywhere. The furnishing of the castle is from the early 20th century from the Romanian royal family. Now the romantic style of Romanian Queen Mary is mixed with the accessories of the Dracula fairy tales. Through the slightly narrow passageways sized for medieval people, we can also get to the open corridor overlooking the inner courtyard. As you can see, it's not one of the biggest castles of the world, but it's beautifully renovated inside and outside. Then as we go on, we can finally see the countryside with the eyes of the former castle guards from one of the lookouts. The fortress on the top of the 100-meter high hill has never been conquered by any enemies in history. Walking down to the courtyard, we find another interesting feature, which is a well, originally 70 meters deep, drilled on the top of the mountain. We can say it was a bottomless well, but its bottom is not in its original shape now. However, we take a last look at the beautiful autumn landscape and we slowly leave the famous Dracula Castle behind. And if you don't want to miss the upcoming 360 travel videos and tutorials, subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you next time!